Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer of pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a U-bend nozzle holder. So it's got twin nozzle holders either side of the U-bend. So the idea behind this, if you're looking at cleaning gutters, they're pretty good at doing that, because this end, which is a quarter male bayonet connector, will snap into the end of a quick release nozzle holder on a lance. So if it's a telescopic lance or a big long lance, you can just clip that in, and then that will basically just sit on the end of your telescopic lance. Bring it a little bit closer there, you can see the nozzle holder. So it's got twin nozzles on there. They're the quick release nozzle holders, so that slides back and forth, and you can put one nozzle in one end and a nozzle in the other. So you can literally fire a jet of water one way down the U-bend of the gutter, and a jet of water the other way. So you can just drop it into the gutter and blast all the debris out of the gutters and flush the gutter clean. So that's the twin nozzle holder gutter cleaner from Equipmart.